Today, let's talk about a critical piece of maritime communication, the safety channel, VHF Channel 16. VHF, or Very High Frequency, marine radios operate on specific channels. Channel 16, at 156.8 MHz, is internationally recognized as the primary channel for distress, urgency, and safety communications. It's also used for making initial contact with other vessels or shore stations before switching to a working channel. Channel 16 has very specific, prioritized uses. The highest priority is distress communication. This is when a vessel or person is in grave and imminent danger and requires immediate assistance. Think sinking, fire, person overboard. The distress call starts with Mayday, repeated 3 times. Next is urgency. This refers to situations concerning the safety of a vessel or person, but where the danger is not grave or imminent. Examples include losing steering or needing medical advice. The urgency signal is pan-pan, repeated 3 times. Then comes safety communications. These are messages about navigational hazards or weather warnings. For example, reporting a floating container or broadcasting a sudden storm warning. The safety signal is sécurité, pronounced sécurité, repeated 3 times. Finally, Channel 16 is used for brief initial calls to establish contact with another station. Once you've made contact, you must immediately switch to a non-commercial or ship-to-ship working channel, like Channel 68, 69, or 71, to continue your conversation. This keeps Channel 16 clear for priority traffic. There are strict rules for using Channel 16. Many vessels are required to maintain a listening watch on this channel. Radio silence must be observed during distress calls and for 3 minutes past the hour and half hour, allowing time for weak distress signals to be heard. Keep all transmissions brief and to the point. Routine conversations, radio checks, unless necessary and brief, and unnecessary chatter are prohibited. Properly using VHF Channel 16 is vital for maritime safety. It ensures that help can be summoned quickly in emergencies and that important safety information reaches those who need it. Always respect the channel's purpose and keep it clear for distress, urgency, safety, and brief calling.